Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Netspend debit card account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Netspend debit card account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in netspend.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Netspend debit card login like this and hit enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see the login Netspend account. Click over there. Whereas on the first tab, we are on the direct home page of Netspend. To log into your Netspend from the home page, you can see the login option available over here on the top right corner of the screen. Click over there, and you can see both of these pages are same. So let's pause one of these. Now to log into your Netspend debit card account from your computer, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on login to sign into your Netspend debit card account from over here. Or if you have forgotten your username or your password of your Netspend card, you can see forgot username or your password option available over here, and username or password, two words are marked in blue and linked with a specific link to retrieve your username or password. If you click on those, you'll be redirected to the page to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you clicked. Or if you have not yet created an account on Netspend until now, you can see order a new card option available over here. Click on order a new card to go through a procedure to sign up for Netspend. And there guys, this is how you log into your Netspend debit card account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.